JavaScript is a text-based programming language used both on the client side as well as server side that allows you to make web pages interactive. Basically, JavaScript adds behavior to web pages. It is behind any good responsive web design. And an important concept of JavaScript is type conversion. Type conversion, typecasting, type coercion, and type juggling. There are different ways of changing an expression from one data type to another. An example would be the conversion of an integer value into a floating point value or its textual representation as a string and vice versa. Basically, type conversion can take advantage of features of each data type. Well, a very big hello and warm welcome. My name is Mariam and I'm from Data is Good. Today you are going to learn different ways to do type conversion in JavaScript. Before we begin our video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not already done that, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest videos coming from Data is Good's YouTube channel. Without any further ado, let us get started with the video. But first, let us see the agenda of the video. We will first understand what type conversion is, then the methods to convert any data type into string type. We will learn what a toString method is. After string type, we will see ways to convert a data type into number type and two methods, parseInt and parseFloat. And at the end, there is an assignment for you. Well, our goal is to make you learn methods to convert a type into another proficiently. Till the end of this video, you will get the whole idea of type conversion in JavaScript when you will learn the examples of type conversion. As discussed in the agenda, we are starting with the meaning. Converting a type of the variable into another type. That is called type conversion. For example, you can convert a string into a number or a number into a string. Generally, it takes place when in an expression more than one data type is present. In such conditions, type conversion takes place to avoid loss of data. All the data types of the variables, they are upgraded to the data type of the variable with the largest data type. VS Code, converting into string type. We can do implicit conversion as well. In certain situations, JavaScript automatically converts one data type to another, to the right type. This is known as implicit conversion. When a number is added to a string, JavaScript converts the number to a string before concatenation. JavaScript concatenated the string and Boolean and returned a string. We can convert any data type into string type. Let us see how we can do that. Converting a number to a string. We checked the type of variable, which is a number, with the help of type of. Let us convert it into a string. Isn't that easy? Well, we just have to write string before the value to convert, and the type is string. Converting Boolean into string. This is how we can change the type of the Boolean variable. The type is Boolean for now. Yes, we have changed the type easily. Changing type of data object to string. Let us take date object. As you can see, the type of data is an object. Great, so we have changed it into a string successfully. Changing array type into string. Let us take an array. The type is object for now. Object type is changed into a string. The advantage of changing the array type into string is that we can apply string methods onto an array. For example, now there is an important thing which you have to keep in mind. When you use length property onto an array object, it will give you the count of the number of elements present in it. The output of that would be 4. The result of length property mostly depends on the type of variable on which we are using it. Now there is another method to convert a type into string type, which is toString. This method converts the type of variable into string. So 10 is converted into string. You can use this method with every data type that we have seen earlier. We can also change the type of variable into a number. Let us see how we can use that. VS Code converting into number type. Now let us move on to the next agenda of our video. Just like string, we can do implicit conversion here as well. Here we are subtracting a number from a string or two numeric strings and the output is a number. When we use a numeric string with any arithmetic operator, it results in a number. Just like how we convert any data type to string, we can convert it into a number with the help of the number method. Let us see the example. 1, 2, 3, 4 is of the string data type. Let us see how we can change that. So it has been converted into a number type. Now an important note is that always use a valid number to convert. If the conversion is not possible, it will return NaN, which means whatever you are trying to convert is not a number. For example, 1, 2, 3, F4 or 1, 2, 3, 4 are not numbers or NaN. Let us use it with Boolean. Since the values of true and false are 1 and 0 respectively, the output is going to be 1 or 0. Parse int. Parse int also converts a data type into number. Another interesting thing in parse int is parse int converts the variables into integer type, so it does not return the digits after the decimal point. If we use the number method instead of parse int, it will give you digits after the decimal points as well. Parse float. Parse float also converts any data type into a number. It returns the number and the digits after the decimal points also. So these are the different ways of converting a data type into another. And here is a small assignment for you guys. Convert it into string. My array equal to apple, banana, kiwi. What would be the output of the following code? My array equal to number 1, 2, 3, 4. Console.log my array, type of my array. So these are some questions you need to answer in the comments down below. On this note, we have reached the end of our video. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed today's lecture. And if there are any suggestions, then please go ahead and comment them as well. We will try our very best to reply to each of your comments. Bye. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative as well as fun videos like these.